So let's start with instant messaging. Instant messaging is the basic functionality of Lync, which allows you to have real-time conversations with your colleagues, either internal to your company or partner companies, or even public message systems like Skype or AOL or Yahoo. So let's look at how we would actually start an instant message conversation. There are a few ways to do it. The most straightforward way is to do it directly from the Lync client, where as you can see your contacts, and then you can select the person that you want to interact with. Another way is to do it from any of the Office applications. So for example, you'll see here that I've got an email from Andy. If I open that email, you'll see that his presence is showing up in that email. So if I hover over Andy, I can then choose how to interact with him. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the instant message button there, and I'm going to start an instant message conversation with Andy. I'm going to say, hi, can we talk about our upcoming presentation? Now what will happen is Andy will get a little pop-up on his screen telling him that I want to talk to him, and of course he can then reply to us as well. And there's his reply. Now what Andy is suggesting is that we drag in a third person into this conversation. So in effect we'll turn this instant message conversation into an instant message conference. It's very easy to do. All we do is we pick up the person that we want to involve in the instant message conference and drop them onto the conversation. So for example, we're going to bring in Abigail. So I click on Abigail, bring her over to the conversation and drop her in there. You can now see that we have a three-way conversation going on. So that's instant messaging. It's very powerful. You'll find that once you've implemented, your email traffic will drop quite substantially. To be clear, it's not usually your email size of data that's affected, it's usually the number of messages that are sent and received. Mainly because a lot of messages in email tend to be short one-liners. Can we meet up to discuss? When are you free to talk about? That sort of thing. So at a very basic level, having real-time instant messaging can really drive productivity between users.